Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, Challenges to National Security External. Last lecture we have seen relationship between Bangladesh and India. Now today we are going to learn relationship between Sri Lanka and India. Means how is the relationship between Sri Lanka and India. Now see, India had close friendly relations with Sri Lanka. Means if you are comparing to Pakistan, then there is a friendly relationship with Sri Lanka and India. Sri Lanka had faced internal disturbance when the Tamil minority population having in the north region of the country wanted more autonomy. Means Sri Lanka is disturbing Sri Lanka had faced the disturbance because of the Tamil minority population which is living in the northern part of Sri Lanka. Because they wanted, means Tamil minority population, they wanted their more autonomy, means they wanted their more freedom, and that's why there is a disturbance in Sri Lanka. And in 1987, India signed an agreement with the Sri Lanka government to help Sri Lanka to resolve the problem. Means in 1987, when there was the Rajiv Gandhi, he was Prime Minister, and Sri Lankan Prime Minister Jayawardene. Means they signed the accord the peace agreement with the Sri Lanka and India to solve the problem peacefully. India also sent a peacekeeping force to maintain security in Sri Lanka, and that time India sent a peacekeeping force to maintain security in Sri Lanka. Means peacekeeping army India sent in Sri Lanka for to maintain the security, because Tamil people which is living, means in India also there is Tamil in Tamil Nadu, and in Sri Lanka Tamil population is less than Sinhalese. Okay, means there are two religions are there, Tamil and Sinhalese, and between them there is a disturbance, and that's why Tamil population they want their more freedom, and because of that Sri Lanka is disturbing because of Tamil minority population, and that's why India helped to them to peace the means to keep the peace in Sri Lanka. Okay, and now see, along with India's now see, means we saw now relationship between other countries and India. Now there is one more important point is there, along with India's relation with its neighbors, we also need to consider importance of Indian Ocean region from national security viewpoint. Means we saw now, means different countries, means Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, China, means their relationships, and India's how these countries relationship with India. Now it is also very important, means what security problem we are facing related to Indian Ocean region. Okay, it is also very important to see related to national security viewpoint. We want to see what challenges face related to security because of Indian Ocean. We will see that next period. Okay, thank you.